Okay, so I made it to the toughest class in town. Today I'm going to be making a custom rug. I'm gonna take y'all around so y'all can kind of see what they got going on. This is so creative and exciting. I have no idea what I'm about to be getting myself into, but y'all come with me and check it out. It's actually pretty dope in here. They also have little mini arcades, little games. I like this. It's basically like a little studio where you can get your rug making on. They got the yarn everywhere. Okay, so I'm an organization and structure person. And so the fact that the yarn is color coded is doing everything for me right now. I'm a fan already. I like to see things in order. So I'm so excited about being here. This is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. Now, of course, they got their branded merchandise, some t-shirts. I love a good t-shirt. So, that's hard. That's hard. Okay, so I made it in. I have to say, I'm loving the vibe. I'm loving the vibe. It's like an arcade. It really is like a little quiet little arcade. I was just talking to some other people here. I don't really do crafts and arts and stuff like that. I used to draw when I was a kid, but I ain't never made no rug before, so we're gonna see what happens. I'm very open-minded. As y'all know, I've just been trying stuff, so we're gonna see. Pray for me, because I don't know, this is machines and stuff. They look like they run with air pressure. I don't know. It's a lot going on here, so we about to get into it. I'm glad you're doing it, cuz.
We're gonna do it a bunch, don't we?
Oh, I have to do it, okay.
You see that hole right there? That's the lower thing. There we go. So go through there.
The top.
Go through the hole. Swoop it.
Just to thread it through. Got it.
Now,
Got it.
I'm just gonna start at the bottom.
Okay.
Same thing we did. Up, up, up,
Okay.
up, up. You see what I'm saying? We're gonna just break it down to as many ups as possible.
Okay. Easy peasy.
Yeah, everything outlines, then I'm gonna show you the next after that.
Okay. I don't know why they let me have a gun, but Lord, this is so. I just want y'all to know this is not as easy. I don't know who made it look easy or why I thought that this was gonna be easy, but this is not. This is difficult, and I'm about 20 seconds in and I already have to rethread my gun. Uh-oh.
Yours looks good too. Tell your ears are perfect. You're doing it. Yeah, yours look perfect.
Dang. I can't get the.
It's raining.
Ain't no way. Oh wow.
Somebody's windows, you can't see the rain.
I heard it. I was like,
And it's time to go back in again. Let's get into it.
Over here, I'm gonna go straight up.
Okay. Straight up, that's it.
You're gonna go right next to it, you're gonna put that foot on that line.
Okay. And just go straight up.
Boom, you're gonna keep doing that. Always
Okay.
vertical. Putting in the whole way, except for in here.
Okay.
Just,
Everything straight up.
Yep.
Okay, I can do that.
No,
I think I can do that.
No, we don't even do
Okay, as you can see, he went and drew red lines because I was going too fast and I have these big gaping wide spaces. So I'm gonna go back and fill those in now. And I'm gonna slow down this time. Okay, now obviously it's not done, but it's getting there. You see what's popping off here. ATL ho, you already know. So just doing a little cleanup. Now, what if I do like a little piece for the video and then you make it look all nice? Okay, because I gotta tell people I did it. And which I did do most of it. Yeah. I did a good 89%. So he's gonna come in. I'm gonna do like a little outline with my red. He gonna come behind me and follow it up. Bam.
Just color in, no outline, color in here.
Okay.
And then the trick is, just do this one. This is a good one to do.
Okay.
You want to just keep it to where this foot is outside the blue.
Okay.
And then you won't run into it.
Okay.
Take your time, little bitty tap, just kind of work your way up as you want to go, then I'll come.
Okay. And the inside.
And then
straight up and down lines.
Yes.
Okay. I can do this. Start on my red now. That looks really good. Oh, see, I thought I needed to be like super close and precise. But it looks better when you're a little further away from it.
Yeah, because it gives it a little bit of room to breathe.
Yeah, okay. I can feel the new people around me just want to be famous. Yeah. This is super dope. Now, I want y'all to know that he said that I was the best in the class, and he's never seen anybody as professional as, well, he didn't say that for real. That's actually a lie. But I did get a little certificate for completing the class. I'm excited and I'm proud of myself. I had to lie to the people. I'm gonna cut this part out the final video. They're not gonna hear this part. But oh my gosh, I did it! I made a rug, y'all. Okay, you guys, so I'm here with the owner. Introduce yourself and tell them who you are, what you do.
Hi, my name is Ducko. It's the toughest class in town. I run it, kind of the whole shebang.
Yeah, so I did finish my rug,
yes,
but he got to put the final touches on it.
Yes.
So what does that entail?
So essentially we're gonna put the glue on the back, put a backing on it, shave the front so it's all even and clean, and then it'll be ready to go. Vacuum and get it all nice and clean.
That's it.
Yeah, that's
so y'all gonna see the finished product. I'm gonna edit that part in. Shout out to him. Thank you so much for having me.
Of course.
I've had a blast, and I feel so accomplished. I feel like a carpenter.
Yes. A tufter.
Yeah, I feel like I can. A tufter. I'm a tufter. I feel like I can do other things now. I want to build a house.
You're certified.
Bam. He said I was the best in the class. I'm just telling y'all what he said. He said. And oh my gosh, here is the finished product. Y'all, I feel so accomplished. Toughest class in town. Go take it. Tell them I sent you.